Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. So today is our day 2, right? So I welcome you all for this day 2 of our 21 days foundation and beginner level challenge. I hope that yesterday itself you broke the ice. And today itself we are going to dive into our main topic of our spoken English. So in this 1 week, actually before that I would like to share the important news with you. I already told you we are going to have this challenge for next 21 days. I've just divided this challenge into 3 weeks. First week is all about you are going to work on your mindset. And second week is all about basic grammatical topics. And third week is all about vocabulary, grammar, and the phrases and idioms, pronunciation. These kind of stuffs are going to be in third week. These are the outline roadmap for our 21 days spoken English challenge. And today in this video, we have a special guest, which is this lamp. Actually, right now I'm in my hometown. Actually, I've been searching a good place to shoot this video. When it comes to the part of upstairs, it's almost 12 p.m. So it's very hot. It's scorching here. So I'm not able to shoot this video on the upstairs. So that's why I've been searching a good proper place to shoot, but I didn't get anything. After that, I found this group of cattles here. I just took this lamp and you can see how cute it is. It's cute, right? It looks so beautiful, so calm and elegant. But when it comes to the part of initial stage beginning, it afraid a lot. But now it's just habituated to me. It's feel comfortable with me. But when it comes to its mother, she's calling her. So I have to leave her. Right now I'm going to speak with you in this content itself. In case if she asks me to leave her down, definitely I will leave her. Okay, let's come to a point. Today we are going to discuss about most important thing, which is all about your mindset. Many people are there who know grammar, who understand everything, who knows a lot of words like vocabularies also, but they can't speak English. They hesitate. They have some insecurity, inferiority complex. So many things they have been facing some kind of obstacles when it comes to the part of speaking. Why it's happening? So that's why I've just designed this course. First week itself, we are going to work on our mindset. So I highly recommend you. First, you should work on your mindset because it's play a vital role in your English journey. So in this video, I'm going to introduce a beautiful formula which is called 3C formula. When I was a beginner, I used this formula to improve my English. What are the 3C? First C stands for clarity. Definitely, guys, just give your ears. Definitely, you have to listen it very carefully. Why are you learning English? Nowadays, many people are asking me, ma'am, how to become fluent in English? How can I improve my English? Or how can I improve my vocabulary? Or how to learn grammar? They are asking the question how many times, but they do not aware of themselves. They do not ask this question why. If you have the clarity, if you get the solution for the why, the how will be clear automatically. Naturally, you don't need to worry about it. So the for most important, you should ask this question to yourself: why do you want to learn English? If you get the clear answer, then you have to move on to the second C. What is the second C? Before that, I already told you clarity. Clarity is really important. So be clear. Just in the comment section, especially in this video, you have to type, why do you want to learn English? This is your task. And second one is, second C stands for confidence. Many people are worrying about confidence. And I would like to tell that nobody is born with confidence. Everybody wants to work on it. So when it comes to the part of confidence, many people think that if I speak good English, definitely I become confident. I think she's so let's leave her. Okay. Say bye. Bye. Okay, let's leave her. So many people are thinking like this. If I want to be confident, first of all, I have to be good at English. If I have good command over in English, definitely I would feel confident. I become confident. Like that, many people are thinking about it. To be honest, if I want to share about my experience, the fluency is comes for you when you feel confident. See, right now you are a beginner. Especially in this stage, you really need confidence. Unless and until you have confidence, how can you practice English? Because in this initial stage, we have faced lot of insecurities like problems, fumbling, stammering, and we mispronounce lot of words. We forgot our words when we try to speak in English. So we face lot of problems at this stage only. So you have to build up your confidence. Once you have confidence, definitely you are going to practice and learn, improve fluent in English, because confidence only makes you to express your thoughts. Unless and until you become confident, you can't express your thoughts. You always question yourself, doubting yourself. It's going to happen. So you have to work on your second C also, which is confidence. And finally, which is all about the third C, it comes under consistency. Consistency is nothing but it's a key for you. Without consistency, you can't see the improvement, especially when it comes to English language. You are in a beginning stage, right? So you do not see the drastic improvement in the way you speak after 21 days. So you can see the gradual improvement in the way you speak after 21 days of this challenge. You can see some amount of improvement in the way you speak, or some amount of improvement in the way you feel, especially the confidence. You might gain confidence. So it depends upon the way you carry out throughout this journey, especially throughout this challenge. I highly recommend you just work on your confidence and consistency. It's really important. If you want to work on your confidence and consistency, before that, you really have to get a clear vision on your English journey. Otherwise, you won't get confidence and consistency. If you ask this question why, if you have the clear vision for why, definitely you will get how. The solution for how. You don't worry about the question, how can I become, how can I improve? No need to worry about it. Just be clear about it. Because if you have the clear vision, definitely you are going to be confident. You are going to maintain the consistency. So you are not going to distract in this distraction world. You are not going to attract it towards something. You know the clear vision. You have the clear vision and clarity within your hand. Definitely you are going to maintain consistency. Guys, actually for a few days I'm just suffering from the cold. So that's why my voice is very little bit low. I'm not able to speak up very loud, because if I speak very loud, I continuously get cough. So that's why I'm just speaking slow and rhythmic way. So when it comes to the part of final conclusion, this conclusion of the video is 3C formula: clarity, confidence, and consistency. And your task is all about, you have to type your comment in my comment section. Your answer and your task will be like this: why do you want to learn English? This is the first one. Second one is confidence, right? So what are you going to do in order to build your confidence? Because confidence is also a skill as like communication. And third one is, for consistency, what are you going to do? How do you maintain this consistency in English journey? So these are your 3 things that you have to mention in my comment section, and the best comment will be pinned, and I'm going to arrange one-to-one session for the one person. And when it comes to the part of a previous video, day 1 video, I pinned a comment name called Manjula, and she texted me, and I've arranged a separate one-to-one session for her for almost 30 minutes. I've clarified all her doubts. So now it's your way. This opportunity is in your hand. So you have to take this wonderful opportunities. So that's it all about this video. I'll come up with another interesting and beautiful video very soon. Till then, you take care. Thank you so much for your precious time. Bye bye. Take care.